Good morning, dear students. Today we solve some important questions. Heron's formula. Question first. Side of a triangle in the ratio of 12, ratio 17, ratio 25 and its parameter is 540 centimeter and find its area. So area of a triangle, find its area of triangle using by Heron's formula under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where s is parameter and abc is side of triangle. But in this question, side of triangle in the ratio. Solution: let side of a triangle a equal to 12x, b equal to 17x and c equal to 25x. A triangle ABC three sides AB, BC and AC ratio are given 20 ratio 12 ratio 17 ratio 25. Let BC equal to A equal to 12x and B equal to 17x, C equal to 25x, and its parameter of triangle. Parameter of the triangle (540 centimeter). Parameter of a triangle equal to sum of three sides of triangle A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C equal to 540, A 12x, B 17x, C 25x equal to 540. 12x and 17x and 25x, 5 or 7, 12 or 2. 14, 4 carry 1, 1 or 2, 3, 1, 4, 5. 12x plus 17x plus 25x equal to 54x equal to 540. X equal to 540 upon 54, x equal to 10. X equal to 10, then side of a triangle is A equal to 12x. Yani one side A equal to 12x equal to 12 into 10 equal to 120 centimeter, and second B equal to 17x, 70 into value of x 10, 17 into 10 170 centimeter. Third side C 25x, 25 into 10 equal to 250 centimeter. Then ratio side of a triangle ratio are given 12 ratio 17 ratio 25, and let side of triangle A equal to first side A 12x, second B 17x, third 20x. Parameter of triangle 540, then parameter of triangle sum of three sides A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C equal to 540, value of A 12x, 17x, 25x, sum of A plus B plus C 54x equal to 540, x equal to 540 upon 54. 54 से 540 cancel 10 time, so x equal to 10. X equal to 10, then first side A x 10, 12 into 10 120, 170, 250. Then three sides are given AB, A equal to 120, B equal to 170, C equal to 250. 3 sides are given, then find its area using by Heron's formula. By Heron's formula, A equal to 120 given, B equal to 170 centimeter and C equal to 250 centimeter, and semi parameter S equal to A plus B plus C, half the parameter of a triangle equal to 540 upon 2 540 by 2 S equal to semi parameter equal to 217. Area of a triangle, Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S semi parameter, A, B and C side of a triangle. A, B, C are given. A 120, B 170. 3 sides are given. Under root S 270 minus 120, 270 minus value of B 170, and 270 minus 250. Under root 270 into 270 minus 120, 150, 150, 270 minus 170, 100, and 270 minus 250, 20. 270 factor 17 into 10, and 15 के factor 150 factor 15 into 10, and 100 10 into 10, and 24 into 5. 27, 9 into 3, because 9 under root 9, value of under root 9 equal to 3, and 3, 10, 15 factor 5 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 4 into 5. 270 factor 27 into 10, 150 factor 15 into 10, 110 into 10, and 24 into 5. Next 27 perfect square numbers नहीं है, then 27 के factor 9 into 3, 9 3s are 27, and 10 का 10, 15 का 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 10, 10, 10 as it is, 4 and 5 as it is. Net under root 9, 9 का under root 3 and 3 or 3, 9 का under root 3 into 10 and 10, 10, 10, 100, 100 under root 10, and 5 and 5, 25, 25 का 5 and 10 or 10, 100, 100 under root 10, and 4 का under root 2. Solve 3 3 जा 9, 9 5 जा 9 5 जा 45, 45 2 जा 90, 3 3 जा 9, 9 5 जा 54 और 44, 44 और 2 जा 19, and 10 into 10, 10 into 10, then 900 centimeter square. Then area of triangle equal to 9000 centimeter square. 9 under root 9, value of under root 9 equal to 3, 3 and 3 9, value of under root 9 3, 10 and 10 100, 100 under root 10, 10 into 10 100 under root 9, 4 का 2 and 5 5 are 25 under root 5. Then multiply 3 into 3 9 5 are 40, 5 45 to the 90 and 10 into 10. 90 into 10 into 10 9,000 centimeter square. Then area of a triangle equal to 9,000 centimeter square. Side of triangle in the ratio are given. Then let side of a triangle A, first side 12x, second 17x, third 25x, then ABC, and parameter of triangle ABC equal to 540 and value of x ABC find. Then Heron's formula, area of a triangle 9,000 centimeter square. Similar, next question. An isosceles triangle has parameter 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of a triangle. Second question, an isosceles triangle has parameter 30 centimeter and each of the equal side is 12 centimeter. Find the area of triangle. Solution, ABC is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, a triangle in which two sides are equal, then is called isosceles triangle. Then AB and AC equal 12 centimeter, two sides are equal, and parameter of triangle is 30 centimeter. Then find the area of triangle, two sides given, and parameter area of parameter of triangle given 30, then 12 and 12 24 parameter of triangle, yani sum of three sides is 30, then 12 and 12 24, 30 minus 24, then third side is 6 centimeter. Then three sides are given 12, 12 and 6 by using Heron's formula. A, B and C, or A, B or C sides of triangle are given. Then using Heron's formula, under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Let an isosceles triangle A equal to 12, B equal to 12, C 8, A sides A equal to 12, B equal to 12 centimeter, and C sides फाइंड करनी है. तो पैरामीटर ऑफ triangle 30 centimeter And parameter of triangle, sum of three sides A plus B plus C equal to 30, A equal to 12, two sides, each of the equal sides is 20, isosceles triangle, two sides are equal, then 12, 12, and third side C equal to 30, 24 plus C equal to 30, C equal to 30 minus 24, C equal to 6 centimeter. Then A 12, 12 and 6, three sides are given. Then find area of a triangle by Heron's formula. By Heron's formula, A equal to 12, B equal to 12, C equal to 6 centimeter, and semi parameter S equal to half the parameter of a triangle 30 upon 2 equal to 15 centimeter, and area of triangle, area of a triangle equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Under root S 15, 15 minus A 12, 15 minus A, 15 minus B 12, and third side C equal to 6 centimeter, to 15 minus 6. 15 into 15 minus 12, 3 into 3 into 15 minus 6, 9. 15 minus 6, 9. 3 3 जा 15 into 3 3 जा 9 और 9 9 जा 81. 81 into 15. 81 into 15. 5 1 जा 5, 5 8 जा 40. फैक्टराइजेशन से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं कि यहाँ से 15 3 3 जा 9, 9 अंडर रूट 9 वैल्यू 3 एंड 9 वैल्यू 3 एंड 15, देन 3 3 जा 9 अंडर रूट 15. ठीक है, तो 3 3 जा 9, so under root value of under root 9 is 3, and under root 9 value of under root 9 is 3, and 15 non-perfect square number, then under root 50, 3 3 is 9 under root 50 centimeter square. So area of a triangle equal to 9 under root 15 centimeter square. Next question. Third question, a park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD has angle C equal to 90, angle C equal to 90 and AB equal to 9 centimeter, BC equal to 12 centimeter, CD equal to 5 centimeter and AD equal to AD equal to 8 centimeter and AD equal to 8 centimeter. Then how much area does it? Okay. ये third question. A park in the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD and has angle C equal to 90, angle C equal to 90, AB equal to 9 centimeter, BC equal to 12 centimeter, CD equal to 5 centimeter and AD equal to 8 centimeter. Then how much area does it occupy? Then find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Let A, B, C, D. ABCD quadrilateral, a park in the shape of quadrilateral. ABCD park in the shape of quadrilateral. Angle C equal to 90. Angle C equal to 90. And AB equal to 9 centimeter. BC equal to 12 centimeter. CD equal to 5 centimeter. And AD equal to 8 centimeter. AD equal to 8 centimeter. Then find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Then join BD. Then area of ABCD, area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of ABD and BCD. But area of ABD, two sides are given, BD not given. And BCD is a right angle triangle. BCD is right angle triangle. Then area of triangle equal to half into base into height. Right angle triangle, right angle to opposite side hypotenuse, and BC equal to base and CD perpendicular BC. Then height CD equal to 5 centimeter, base 12 centimeter. Then area of triangle BCD equal to half into base into height. Solution. Area of a quadrilateral, या area of a park equal to area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle BCD plus area of ABD. BCD area of triangle BCD equal to half into base into height, because base and height are given, but ABD triangles, two sides are given, third sides not given. Then in triangle BCD, in a triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, Pythagoras theorem Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square BC BD equal to BC इसका स्क्वायर प्लस CD स्क्वायर. BC equal to 12 सेंटीमीटर प्लस CD equal to 5 सेंटीमीटर. BD स्क्वायर equal to 12 स्क्वायर 144 प्लस 5 स्क्वायर 25 169. BD स्क्वायर 169. BD under root 169 under root of 169 equal to 13 centimeter. BD equal to 13 centimeter. BCD right angle triangle. In a triangle BCD right angle triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, base 12 centimeter and perpendicular 5, 12 centimeter, 12 square plus 5 square 144 plus 25 169 under root. BD square equal to 169. BD equal to under root 169 under root 169 13 centimeter. Then value of BD equal to 13 centimeter. Triangle, area of triangle BCD equal to half into base into height, equal to half into base BC into height CD. 1 by 2 BC 12 centimeter and CD 5, 2 12 6, 2 1 time 12 6 times 6 into 5 equal to 30 centimeter square. Then area of BCD equal to 30 centimeter square and area of ABD area, 3 sides are given. AB equal to 9 centimeter, BD equal to 13 centimeter, AD equal to 8 centimeter. 3 sides are given. Then using Heron's formula and find area of ABD. A equal to, in the triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, A equal to 9, B equal to 13 and C equal to 8 centimeter. Let A equal to 9, B 13, C 8 centimeter and S semi parameter. S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2 equal to 9 plus 13 plus 8 upon 2. 9 and 13, 9, 8 and 13 centimeter. A equal to 9, B equal to 13, C equal to 8. 8 and 13, 9 and 30, 22, 22 and 8, 30 upon 2 equal to 15. S semi parameter, S equal to 13 centimeter. Then area of, by using Heron's formula, area of triangle ABD equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, under root S 15, under root 15 minus A, value of A equal to 9 and 15 minus under root B, value of B 13 and 15 minus 8. 15 into 15 minus 9, 6 into 15 minus 13, 2 into 15 minus 8, 7. Multiplying 6 2 ja 12, 15, 15 6 ja 90 into 7 2 ja 14. 90 into 14 under root 1260, 1260, and value of under root 1260 equal to value of under root now 900 equal to 30, and under root 1600 equal to 40. Then under root of 1260 between 30 to 40, then 35.5, and 35.5. $35.35 1254.75 and approximately 35.5 centimeter square. Then area of quadrilateral ABCD, area of park quadrilateral shape a park, area of BCD plus area of ABD, and area of BCD equal to 30 and area of ABD equal to 35.5. Then area of a park equal to 30 plus 35.5 equal to 65.5 centimeter square. Okay. Next class we solve questions. Thank you.